Hey Athena, what's in the Coloplast Care Welcome Kit that is sent to people after their new ostomy surgery? That is, if they've been enrolled into the Coloplast Care program.
Yeah, let's unbox it. So the care kit comes in a box shown here, and when you open it, you'll see our introductory letter and a book related to your ostomy type. There is a letter that you can pass on to your home health nurse. It also has video instructions on the back. These videos can be helpful for you or for your nurse to watch. Then you'll see this gray travel bag, which holds some items, including a scissors that's curved to help you cut the barrier, a mirror to help you see your stoma when you apply the pouch, a measuring guide, and a marking pen here up top. A lot of people appreciate the detachable bag here to take just one change of items with them on the go. Maybe you put this inside of a purse. The gray bag also has a hang tag in case you're in a public restroom and need to do a change.
Thanks, Athena. I'm Darcy, a Senior Marketing Manager at Coloplast, and this is Athena, a Coloplast Care Advisor. If you have questions or need to request your welcome kit for educational training and product information before or after your ostomy surgery, call us at 1-877-858-2656 or log on to ostomy.coloplastcare.us today. Information from Coloplast Care is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations. You should rely on the healthcare professional who knows your individual history for personal medical advice and diagnosis.